eyebrows.
We are up close and personal, and I am going to do an eyebrow tutorial. So, first things first, for my eyebrows, I change what products I'm using all the freaking time. So, sometimes I use powder, sometimes I use pencil, sometimes I use both. But lately, I have been using the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal. It's just this tiny little one. It's a pretty good dupe for the, actually, it's pretty much just like the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. And I've been using this forever. It's the Wet n Wild Ash Brown Brow Powder. So, lately, for my brows, I've been liking using both. I feel like it gives a more natural look. But I don't do this every day. Sometimes I just, if I want them to look really good, I'll use the pencil and the powder. But if I'm in a hurry, I just use powder because I don't really have a whole lot going on. So powder just fills them in really, really fast. Okay, so first I take the pencil. My cat is literally, can you not? Okay, so first I take the pencil and I go right on the very bottom of my brow and basically draw a straight line from the inside of my brow to the arch of my brow, just like that. And I work back and forth with my brows because I feel like that helps them look alike. That helps them look similar. And then I take it and I fill in or bring a line straight down. I haven't plucked my eyebrows in forever. I'm trying to let them grow out, but they really are just growing down. And I am just gonna doing a straight line down, just like that. So it looks crazy, but we'll fix it. And then do the same thing on that side. So this is what they look like so far. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna take this lightly and go over the top. Just like that. I don't like this to be too square, my arch, so I just kind of try to make sure to round it off a little bit. And we're gonna go in and do more detail work with the powder. And basically with the pencil, you just want to get the general shape and outline. Okay, so that's decent. Now I'm gonna take my Walgreens angled brush, and it's got a spoolie on the other side. I like this spoolie because it's, it's got dog hair in it, because it's bigger, so I feel like it works better. And I'm gonna take the dark powder in my brow. I'm gonna take the dark brow powder, and I'm gonna go from the inside to the tail with the dark. And just kind of go over what we've already done with the pencil, but just kind of filling it in a little bit more. Really, you just want to follow the natural shape of your brow and just fill in the sparse areas, which is basically my whole brow. So now we have the general shape, but I want to bring this in closer towards my nose because I really don't have, if you can see, I really don't have any like eyebrow hairs up here at all. So I feel like I look like an alien when they're this far apart. So I took the lighter shade on my brush and tapped off the excess, and then I just take it and lay it flat like this and just do this. Like I'm making little tiny hairs back and forth. Okay, so then I just keep going in. I sometimes like to turn the brush to the side and do this. But now I basically just keep going in and try to make them look as symmetrical as I can. Some days it works, some days not so much, but I try. Sisters, not twins. Sometimes they come out like cousins, but as long as they're in the same family, I think we're good. So this is a good shape for me, so I just take the spoolie now and brush up and back. I don't really brush this too much because I don't want to remove any of the product. Just this, because I like a fade in the front. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. But what I do with this is I take it and I comb up only in the front and then over. Then I do the same thing on this one. And then I do put a little bit down here just because those are the only hairs that really stick up on my brows. And that is the brows. Here, let me know what you guys want to see. I have some ideas, but bless you. I have some ideas, but I want to hear what you guys think. So, all right, well,